Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat, ako po si Brian B. Mendoza. Dito po ang ating daily devotion ngayong araw, April 5, 2025. So ngayong araw po natin tutuloy ang ating series which is seminary issue. Specifically, ang topic po natin for today is about eternal conscious punishment. So bakit urgent and important ang gospel? Now, ang ating talata po ay nagkakaroon sa Matthew chapter 25 verse 41. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. Then he will say to those on his left, depart from me, you who are cursed, into the eternal fire prepared for the devil and his angels. So ngayon po, upang ating maunawaan kung ano ibig sabihin ng talatang ito, upang mas maintindihan po natin ang ating devotion, ngayon po tayo po idadako sa ating teachings for today. So, una po, sabi po dito, basahin ko po, God is the offended party. So, tayo po, when we sin, we are sinning against God. Siya po yung masasaktan because He is the one who made us. Siya po ang lumikha sa atin, and He is the one who loves us. Ikalawa po, God is holy and just. Ang Diyos po natin is perfect. Wala tayong kasalanan. He always does what is right. And as God, He must punish sin because He is fair and just. Kasi po, God made hell to punish evildoers. So yung hell po, ito po ay isang lugar kung saan yung mga tao po na nandun is na-reject ang ating Diyos, and those people who continue to do evil, so sila po ay pinapunish sa hell, wherein dito po pinapakita kung gaano po kaseryoso ang ating Diyos sa kasalanan. So ngayon po tayo pinadako sa ating mga applications for today. So po, acknowledge the seriousness and gravity of sin. So yung kasalanan po, kahit maliit man na bagay, kahit maliit man, para sila maliit man yung bagay na yun, sa Diyos po hindi po maliit yung bagay na ito, kasi it offends God and it brings punishment. So dapat kita natin kung gaano kaseryoso ang bagay nito. Ikalawa po, advance the gospel with urgency and compassion. Because people need Jesus, we should tell others about Him as soon as possible. So, and also dapat hindi natin ito i-share na parang sila lang yung kasalanan. Dapat we will share it to them with love, so they can be saved. And last but not least po, appreciate the love and justice of God displayed on the cross of Christ. Ang ating Diyos po, si Jesus Christ po, He died on the cross to take the punishment for our sins. Napakita po dito kung gaano kalaki